I'm fixing it. I'm filming it. Here we are at a subscriber's house, and he's complaining that his Moen, it's easy to turn this way, but to actually turn it off, it's hard. So he's bought a replacement cartridge. So we're going to disassemble that. But first things first, let's go downstairs. Let's turn off the water. Okay, so let's turn off the water. There's the main water. Turn that off. And because this is a newer house, metering valve. So it can't get too hot upstairs or anywhere. So we have to make sure that is turned off. That's actually taking water from the hot water tank. So you kind of have to do two things here. Okay, and we will confirm that the water is off here. Yes. Okay, water's off. So let's take this apart. So bring it to the up position, and it's also handy to close your drain so you don't drop anything down. Okay, let's take this off here. It's an Allen screw. There we go. That's off. There's a screw behind it. Now, you say, what is this contraption? This is an actual child-proof thing, so the child doesn't accidentally crank it open and burn themselves. So this is how you actually prevent that from happening. It'll only get to a certain position on the dial and they won't get scalding hot. So if your shower isn't getting hot, that might be the problem. It's turned down for a child. Okay, so let's take that out. And see, all that does is it just notches it, so the valve can only be turned on so far. Okay, so this will come off. This is the cover. Now these two screws will remove this shield. That comes off. Now we can actually get to our cartridge. And to remove this cartridge, we have a replacement one, and of course this is the replacement 1222B. Instructions, the actual cartridge, this is what it looks like. And then we have some lubricant. The lubricant we have to put on these seals here, and that's probably what's wrong with that, but he said he tried lubricant on it, and after a couple days it just gets hard again to turn off. So that's why he wants to replace it. Now the instructions say there is a notch on this, and we have to get it into the up position. There we go. The notch is in the up position. So now we got to pull this pin right here. And don't drop it in behind your... So that's what that pin looks like. Or a clip, I should say. Now we should be able to remove this. And they give you a little tool to help turn it. So we'll push this tool in there and kind of turn it as we pull it. Yes. Oh. here's the new one, and we already got the notch on the top with the HC. So that's the way we're going to put it in. But before we put it in, let's put the lube on it. So we have the new part. Let's put a little lube on it. And I'll even put some on that seal too. Pretty thin stuff. Okay, let us put this in now. There we go. Push in as hard as you can and make sure the notches sit in there properly. Let's get this back in there, the clip. Obviously that cover prevents that. How about we give it a fast little clean here? There. Okay, get these two screws in. There, got that one started. There we go. As long as it's good and even tight. Don't over tighten it. Okay. So now we've got that on. Now we can put it in the off position. Put that back down to the bottom. Oh boy, does that turn nice. Okay, let's get our child stuff in. And I don't know where to put it. How about we put it just in the neutral position, and then we will discuss with the homeowner where they would like it. That would be a little bit less hot, even less hot. So we'll put it in the full neutral position so it can get the hottest possible. Okay, and then let's put the adapter back on. That's right. Okay, oh boy, that sure turns nice and easy now. Oh, I can see what the homeowner meant. Okay, so why don't we turn this back up. So now we can get this guy on. Yes.
How are we doing?
Pretty good.
Good. Got it. Got an upgrade too.
An upgrade. Oh, brass.
Yeah, it came with the whole thing, all the attachments, new stainless steel braided
3
line.
feet?
6 feet. So there's.
Wow. Oh, awesome, awesome.
She's like, yeah. Oh, it's steamy in here.
And how much was that?
$20.
Oh my lord, that's cheap. I would expect that for the plastic. There you go.
Ow.
Oh boy, does that turn nice. Now I put the hot in the 12 position,
that's fine.
so.
It's so funny. Doesn't matter how much you spend on these things, they're always a little,
A little wobbly wobbly.
yeah.
Well, let's test it out. We've got the wire back on. Oh, that's nice. Turns nice. That's $100 well spent.